So today we are releasing the early access edition of our new book.
Yay! Yeah, it's a book about app architecture and we're writing it together with Matt Gallagher. We started it because we thought we would want to write a book about 100 different ways to write an iOS app. It didn't really turn out exactly that way.
So we ended up with 6. We implemented one example application fully in 6 different architectures. And 3 architectures are more common ones and 3 are more experimental ones.
Yeah, so the common ones are model view controller, of course, just the standard Cocoa way. Then we also have an online-only version of the app, and we have an MVVM version with coordinators.
And on the more experimental side, we look at a view state-driven version of MVC and at a pattern called Model Adapter View Binder, which is a research project by Matt, and at the Elm architecture, which is also very experimental on iOS.
And for each architecture, we not only look at the diagram, the high level, we also look at the implementation. How do you actually write the code?
Yeah.
And then we look at how to use these patterns from these architectures also in existing applications.
So basically the lessons that can be learned from each pattern.
Exactly.
Yeah. And so this early access edition that we are releasing today means that you will get the first chapter immediately. And then we are going to release new and updated content each week. And you will also get an invite to a private GitHub repository where we put all the source code and all the materials. And you can ask questions and give feedback in the issues also.
And you can choose between one of 2 packages. So either you just get the ebook or you get the ebook plus videos. And we're planning to make about 8 hours of video after the book is done, after we're done writing. And this video, in the videos, will show how to implement certain features in new architectures. And we discuss more how a certain architecture works. So it's really additional to the book and not a rehash of the existing content.
Yeah, and we plan to be done with this around April. So then the videos will also come out and the book will be complete.
Awesome.